Hi, this is Cecilia Metra. I'm a professor at the University of Bologna in Italy, and I'm one of the directors of the IEEE in 2022 and 2023. I would like to share with you our prediction that safety, reliability, and resiliency will receive significant boost in the coming years. And this in order to keep on increasing the level of autonomy of our autonomous intelligent systems. These kind of systems have been proven useful to replace humans during the pandemic emergency. And I think that the usage of these systems during the pandemic emergency has changed the attitude of humans with respect to them. They can replace humans in harsh and dangerous environments, so they can actually help humans. But in order to make them smarter and smarter, there are several technological challenges that need to be faced, especially from the point of view of their safety, their reliability, and their resiliency. But to hear more about the challenges and opportunities in these technological fields, I would invite you to read in details our predictions. Thank you very much.